Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Naquan Jordan, the AI protagonist, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at all the different AI tools that are available at Canva. So I've been using Canva for a long time, I think about a year now, and they have been slowly rolling into the whole AI thing. They've added, I think it's like over 50 different AI tools that you can use. So in this video, we are going to demonstrate a few of them, just a handful of them, but I'm going to show you how you can access all of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a new design. We'll go to YouTube thumbnail, and it's going to load up a blank canvas. So I could just go through and click on one of these designs, and that will just go ahead, load it into the canvas, and I can edit it. But instead, I am going to use some of the AI tools. So we're going to go to Elements, and we're going to click on the AI image generator right here. So now we're going to, let's see, we'll generate an image. We'll try an example. A rocket launching at sunset. Okay, that's a good one. And we're going to use one of these different styles. Let's use the dreamy style. And it's going to be a landscape, and we'll click on Generate Image. And so now it's going to generate 4 different images, and then we will choose the one we like the most, or we could just actually put all 4 of those images into our canvas. But we're not going to be using all 4 of them. I'm going to just pick the one that I like the most. So here are our generations, and you can see they are pretty good. They look like a nice little dreamy painting. And I think I'm going to go with, I'll go with this one, because I like the little image of the moon up here. So now that we have our new image, what we're going to do is we're going to expand it a little bit. Expand it this way. Move it down so we can see the moon, see the top of the rocket. Okay, so here is our image. So now, as you can see, we need to come up with something to do over here. So I'm going to click on the image, and I'm going to click on Edit Photo. And I'm going to use the Magic Expand tool. And we're going to expand it for the whole page. And I'll just click on Magic Expand. And what that's going to do is going to expand the image to fill up the entire canvas. And just like before, it's going to give me 4 different images, and I'll just pick which one I like the best. So you can see it actually, you can see right here, this is where the line is. And it does look pretty good. It looks pretty similar to the original image. This one kind of adds like a second moon, which is cool. But I think I'll go with this one. Then we just click on Done. And now we have our full image for our YouTube thumbnail. We would just put some text over here on the side, which would be cool. So now we're going to take a look at the videos. So I am, you know what, I'm gonna take this prompt and I'm gonna add it to videos. Go ahead, put that prompt in there. You could try an example for this one as well, but I'm gonna just go with what we've done before, and I'll click on Generate Video. So as you can see, Canva actually uses Runway ML to generate their videos. They just got the API from Runway. So if you are used to Runway, if you know how to use it, then you can go ahead and have some fun with it in here. If not, I do recommend you actually check out Runway's website so you can get the tutorial to learn how to actually use Runway ML. So now we're going to let this go through, and we will come back when it's done. Alright, so our video has now completed, and if I mouse over it, you can see it playing a little bit. The Runway ML does create really short videos, so you're going to have to do several generations if you want something really big or really long. But let's go ahead and watch it. So you can see it's mostly just the smoke and everything going through, not the actual rocket moving. But it is still pretty good, considering that it was all generated through AI. You will have to do multiple generations, of course, just like with AI images. But that is how it works with the videos. So now I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. We're going to do some more editing. We'll go to edit photo. So we do have some other magic tools. I'm going to go with magic grab. We click on magic grab, and what it's going to do is it's going to actually look at the image and figure out what items that I would want to grab. Most likely the rocket. Yep, there we go. And I can now move the rocket somewhere else. I can move it over here if I like. And if I just go ahead and click off that, now the rocket is on the other side, which is really cool. They do have a, let's see, let's go with the magic edit. So we do have the magic edit. So let's say I want to add another rocket in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just draw this mask over the area where the rocket was before. And I'm clicking on continue, and let's see, we'll put in a rocket flying up. Probably, I don't know if it's going to really understand that, but we'll try it anyway. And of course, if you just want to like change stuff, like I wanted to change the color of the rocket, I could do that. If I wanted to add like designs to the rocket, different things like that, I could do that. But instead, I'm gonna just try creating a brand new image, and I'm gonna see what that does. All right, and it actually did create it. It created some rockets. So it created like, well, this one's just one rocket. It's a really small one. This one is 2 different rockets, and this one is 1 small rocket as well. I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna click on done, and here is our new image. So now we got 3 rockets in our image, and all of that is done just from playing with the AI. So there's other stuff you can do, like you got the grab text. If there was text on here, I could use this to automatically detect the text and then go ahead and change it. I do have the magic eraser, which actually let's see if we can erase the rockets that we just created. And just like that, the rocket is gone. Ah, that's actually pretty cool. Let's see if we can do this one as well. See if we can erase that rocket. Yep. Can we erase the moon? See if we can erase that. And there's still like a little bit of residue there, the light from the moon, but the moon is for the most part gone, or it kind of looks like maybe some clouds went in front of it. But the rockets are definitely gone, which is kind of cool. And now you have a nice little image of almost like a heavenly view of the clouds, which is cool. So that is it for these tools here. Of course, background movers, pretty self-explanatory. So we will jump into some of the other apps. So in order to get to the other apps, you click on apps right here. And then this is almost like an apps library. So they do have the Discover tab. They have the Your Apps tab. So these are the apps that I've actually used. They'll pop up here for easy access. But you have your featured apps at the top, and you got your trending apps down here. You got more stuff from Canva, popular, and then here this whole section is just AI powered apps. So these are all of the AI apps that are available on Canva. So if we start here, we got HeyGen. HeyGen, it lets you create kind of like AI presenters, and this actually works really well. I might do a video on this. It's really popular for faceless YouTube channels, being able to create an AI avatar. It's very realistic. There are motions and things like that. I mean, you can tell it's AI, but it's still pretty good. You got the Hello QR code. You can create little QR codes with AI. They have Murph AI, which is basically a text to voice. Add natural sounding voices to your designs. And there's actually a bunch of different text to voice apps in here. I don't know which ones are the best. I haven't used all of them, They do have Sound Drawer, which is a similar one. And actually, this is one, looks like this is one that I've used before. So this is actually text to music rather than voices. And I have not used any songs, but these are some of the ones that are available to listen to. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and let me see. I don't have myself set up. Let me mute my mic, and then I will. Actually, okay. So I got the sound up on my computer, and I'm gonna mute my mic, and we can actually listen to some of these. All right, and there you go. There is Sound Draw. So there are actually a few text to music apps in here. There is a way to easily you can just search in here and put like text to music, text to speech or whatever, and it will make it easier to find these things because there are so many in them. But we do have DID, which is another one for creating AI presenters. This is actually probably the most popular tool for doing that. They have DALL-E, which is a text-to-image, one of the more popular text-to-image platforms created by OpenAI. And they also have some image enhancers like what you would call it, image upscaler. There we go. So they have like image upscalers and stuff like that in here. Just basically pretty much anything you would need to do with AI. They do have a magic morph, which lets you create really cool different types of text. They do have this Crikey AI, which is pretty cool. It lets you create 3D avatars. And you can you choose the avatar, you would choose the action that you want it to do. And if you want it to say something, you would type it in here. And then they have the language, the accents that you want, and you can actually choose the voice that you want to hear. So it's really cool. Definitely something nice to play around with. They got a headshot creator, and this is where you just basically put your image in, and you can create all kinds of different headshots, professional photos for yourself. Works out really well. And they have another one here. This is Melody Muse. This is another text to music generator. We're not going to listen to those. Want to try to keep this video from getting too big. So we'll look at, they have a logo maker, which is pretty easy to use. You just type in the words and then you'll be able to edit the final image that comes out. They have a anime style. This is just basically a kind of like a text to image that is specifically for anime. So it's for anime, different types of stuff, rather than doing something like DALL-E, which is for everything. That one is specifically focused, and so you come out with a lot of better stuff. They got Image Streamer, which is similar to the headshot one, where you put an image of yourself in there. a headshot, and then it will put you in all kinds of different fantasy style situations. And we'll take a look at one more. Let's see, we'll take a look at People Maker. So this is one that I've actually used, so it's not going to have the display that they would normally do, but I'm gonna just create someone. So we got female senior with a angry face and creature person. And so it's really simple. You're just creating different people with different types of faces. So it's good if you're doing like you're designing a website or a sales page or something like that. So it's really, really cool. Very easy to do. We'll do a child male. So we'll do a little boy with a happy face. Or no, we'll go with surprise. A little boy with a surprised face. Let's go ahead and delete that one. And here we go. So just like that, nice little image of a little boy who is surprised at whatever you're doing on your website. So those are all of the AI tools, or most of the AI tools. Definitely not going to go through all of them, but there are tons of tools available here on Canva. They do have some writing tools as well, just like the regular ChatGPT style, where if you need help when you're writing something, it will help you create prompts or rewrite stuff and things like that. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys have tried any of this stuff and you would like to let us know how it works out, I would love that in the comments below, because there's just too many apps for me to choose, and I would like to know which ones are the best, like which one is the best presenter app, which one's the best text to voice app, and etc., things like that. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.